In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to use the Healthy Start card. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. The Healthy Start card is a prepaid card that can be used to purchase healthy foods such as milk, infant formulas, and fresh or frozen fruit and vegetables. It can also be used to obtain free vitamins for pregnant women, breastfeeding mothers, and children aged 6 months to 4 years. I'm gonna teach you how to use and how to acquire the card. So first, about using it, you will need to activate your card before you can use it. You can do it by calling the Healthy Start helpline at 0800-616-616. By calling them at this number listed, you will be able to provide all of the necessary details to activate the card and start using it. Like I mentioned, you will be able to purchase a lot of valid items, and you can get all the most up-to-date information by visiting the healthystart.nhs.uk website. The first time that you use your card, you will need to use your PIN. You can find the PIN provided in the letter that came with your card. After you have used your PIN once, you can now make contactless payments. You can simply tap your card on the card reader. Alternatively, you can swipe the card if you prefer when you reach checkout. You will need to use your PIN again after you have made 5 contactless payments in a row or spent a combined total of 150. This is to help protect it from fraud, and you can check your balance by calling the Healthy Start helpline or using the Healthy Start app. As long as you call them on the listed number, you will be able to get the most up-to-date information. So you can find the numbers listed here. Self-service phone to manage your card and the balance, so 0300-330-2090, and after you call them at this number, you will be able to get the most up-to-date information regarding your card. And if you still need instructions on how to apply, go over to the website, click on this page here, and you will be able to see how to apply online, if you get a universal credit, if you get child tax credit, and what to do. So just click on apply now and go through with the instructions. If you need to apply by email or phone, scroll down further and all of the contact information will be listed as well. I hope I was able to help you on how to use the Healthy Start card. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.